When a certain tree was first planted, it was 4 feet tall, and the height of the tree increased by a constant amount each year for the next 6 years. At the end of the 6th year, the tree was 1/5 taller than it was at the end of the 4th year. By how many feet did the height of the tree increase each year? So let's see if we can translate each of these statements. So we got some, what is our timeline here? So we start off now, we'll say, and our plant is height, or actually they tell us that it was 4 feet tall. And then the height increased by a constant amount each year. So not a constant percent, but by a constant amount. So a set value. So after year 1, after year 2, after year 3, so we got 6 years of growth that we're looking for. So all our values are going to be the height of the tree at the end of that year. So at the end of year 1, we can say it was 4 plus x feet. And then it grew another x. So if it says it grew by a constant amount each year, it grows x each year. So it should be 4 plus 2x at the end of year 2, 4 plus 3x at the end of year 3, 4 plus 4x at the end of year 5, 4 plus 5x. 4 plus 4x at the end of year 4, 4 plus 5x at the end of year 5, 4 plus 6x at the end of year 6. And they tell us at the end of the 6th year, the tree was 1/5 taller than it was at the end of the 4th year. So they're saying year 6 is equal to year 4, and it's 20% greater. So times 1.2, or 1 1/5. So what does that mean? That means if we want to plug in our expressions that we have here, so 4 plus 6x is equal to 4 plus 4x times 1.2, which is 1 1/5, which is 6/5. So by how many feet did the height of the tree increase each year? So that means we are solving for x, which we can be able to, should be able to do from this equation here. So what do we know? I know 4 plus 6x is equal to, let's distribute here. So 6/5 times 4 is what? 24/5 plus 6 times 4, again, is 24x over 5. So let's combine my x's as well as everything else. So if I get all my x's on one side, I have 6x minus 24x over 5 is equal to 24 over 5 minus 4 by subtracting 4 from each side. So common denominator here should be a 5. So I'm going to multiply this guy by 5 over 5. So we get 30x over 5 minus 24x over 5 is equal to, same thing here, common denominator of 5. So multiply this guy by 5 over 5, 24 over 5 minus 20 over 5. So then what do I get? I get 6x over 5 is equal to 4 over 5. And then I can just cross multiply here, or actually I'm just going to multiply each side by 5. And then that leaves me with 6x is equal to 4. X is equal to 4/6, which is 2/3, which hopefully is one of my answer choices. D.